sex. You like them balls on your face, don't you?
Balls on my face. Alright, at this point, I don't know what the fuck we're doing. I hate avocados, but we're gonna make avocado wine. It's Big Easy's idea. I fucking hate these. I hate avocados, motherfucker.
But you like balls on your face.
Yep, definitely. I don't know what the fuck. Whatever. Did you just shit your pants?
That's my shit. You're rolling.
Alright, you're gonna get all your baby shit fruit and get it, put it in a pan. Pull it right out of the diaper. Ugh. We're going to use 6 avocados for this. And they're kind of small. You see what size they are. They're kind of small. We let them sit and get super ripe. Alright, shut it off. Take your gallon of water, pour out almost half of it. Maybe a third. Pour out that much. You fill your pot halfway full. Set your water aside, cover it.
There's already a cup in it.
Now, you want to put a pound of sugar, or 2 1/4 cups. And turn that on high. And once this starts getting hot, you want to mash those avocados. Come back to you when that's done.
Taking my ass to Taco Tuesday and get some guacamole.
Guacamole.
Guacamole's the bomb, bro.
Guacamole's fucking okay at best. Alright, once your baby shit turns into baby shit soup, gets good and hot, starts bubbling, you want to cut the heat off, put it back in your gallon. Should have at least made it guacamole wine. Oh, I just made a mess. Salsa verde wine, dude. That would be the shit. Salsa verde wine. Yeah, that's next. That's just some shit. Hippie fucking, you know, people put this on toast and eat it.
Yeah.
Big old glob of it. And they're like, ooh, it's good.
It's almost flavorless. It's a big old texture thing. Like,
You like it. You like eating baby shit.
I like guacamole.
Like, guacamole's edible, but if you got salsa, why even fuck with it? I don't know, man. I just don't like avocados. This ain't my deal. You know, that crawfish wine we're about to make, that's gonna be badass. I love Cajun shit. Turn these fuckers off, too. Alright, you want this to cool down. You want it to be around 90 degrees, 95 degrees before you add the your yeast. We'll pitch the yeast in a minute after this cools down some. Alright, you want to heat up some spring water in a little jar. You want to get it to the right temperature. Can you see that on there? We're using EC 1118. And it says on the back that you want to pitch it between 95 and 98.6 degrees. Right now we're at 97.2. We'll stir it in real good, get it aerated. Let that sit for about 5 minutes. You can let it sit for up to 30 minutes if you want. Then we're going to add it to our jug. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes, so I'm going to stir this up real good again. Pour it in our jug. Put the cap on this, shake it up real good.
Oh, Crystal Geysers should send us some endorsement.
Yeah. Put your airlock in there, fill it halfway full of water, let it sit for 2 weeks. Avocado baby shit wine. Alright, we're going to move this baby shit wine to the secondary. I want to smell it. It don't smell like much. It don't smell bad. Just surprising.
It smells like alcohol.
It's like alcohol. It smells like, I guess, guacamole or something, man.
Yeah, avocados don't have a real strong smell to them anyways.
Baby shit wine.
You've been waiting to try this one.
Yeah, I can't fucking wait. I'm so excited. Alright, this is what we got. I could get more, but I'm not going through the trouble because this shit's going to be nasty. I don't give a shit. It kept clogging that thing. I'm not running this through a cheesecloth. That's enough. That's enough avocado wine. Half gallon's good enough for me. I'm gonna let it sit a few more days, then we'll bottle it. Alright, we're about to bottle our baby shit wine. Nasty ass avocado.
Man, you've been looking forward to this one since we fermented it.
There's still chunks in there.
I know, it just never settled, did it? Might have to run this through some cheesecloth.
We get 1.5 bottles, we're good. Fuck this shit.
Man, you ain't even tried it yet.
Yeah, I know I don't like it though. Sometimes you don't have to try something to know you don't like it.
Dude, it can't be no worse than bean burrito.
Bro, bean burrito was yummy. You're just not a true bean burrito fan, man.
Yeah, I just like a real bean burrito.
You just don't. You ain't got it in your blood.
I don't. I'm not a bean burrito wine drinker.
Giving you extra, motherfucker. You love it. You rolling? Alright, we got a bottle and a half. This shit's so sludgy. This shit's still super thick. If you look in there, man. Probably have to rebottle it after it sits, cold crash it. We never cold crashed it. But we're going to try it out. Avocado wine. Tastes better than I expected, that's for sure. don't even know how to explain it. It tastes like wine. It has a flavor, but it's not like eating avocado. It's a little different. It's not bad. I'm surprised because I fucking hate avocados. That's not bad. That shit kind of blows my mind. I was thinking this was going to be the grossest wine I ever had. It's definitely wine. And EC 1118 comes out strong as fuck. Either way, fuck your mama!
I taste some avocado in there. It's real faint. It's super strong.
Should have made a Herdez guacamole wine.
Some guac wine? Nah, maybe.
I'm not doing this again. We're done with that fruit forever. We're never making anything out of avocado ever fucking again.